I am Dr. Vijay Bhaskar, Chairman, Ethics Committee, Clinical Research and Trials, Hyderabad. Well, we must know regarding low back pain. We are all aware of it. Low back pain is common in children, adolescents, young people, and old age people. Obviously, your low back is the formation of 5 lumbar vertebra and 5 clustered sacral bone. There are 5 lumbar vertebra and sacral bone. In between, they have a disc, which are the formation of fibrous band with the gel-like liquid in between. Apart from that, the vertebra has 2 joints are called facet joints, which are important. Sometimes the inflammation of the joints leads to spondylitis, or otherwise called it is spondylitis. There will be degenerative changes due to wear and tear, due to vitamin D, calcium and minerals deficiency. There will be degeneration in the vertebral bodies, leads to spondylosis. There is another condition called spondylolisthesis, where there is unstable joints, leads to forward movement of the one vertebra above the another vertebra. Commonly happens between L5 vertebra and S1 vertebra, rarely L4 and L5 vertebra. Usually whenever there is a pressure in the abnormal movement in the spinal column, there will be pressure on the spinal column like what we see, this yellow colored nerve. When there is a space reduced in between the canal, there will be severe pain on the back or particularly both the limbs. When there is a disc prolapse, we call it disc prolapse. Disc means this is the disc which protect whenever we jump. It will not allow to collide both the bones directly to avoid any fractures. Hence, this disc is most important for us. Most of the people complain about the back pain due to disc prolapse and sciatica. So, whenever there is a spinal cord comes out with right and left nerve roots, they form a thick nerve into the thigh, posterior to your thigh, goes up to the toes. This is called sciatic nerve. It has various branches, but main formation of this sciatic nerve comes from the 5 lumbar vertebrae and 5 sacral roots. So, whenever there is chances of busting of this fibrous band or breakage of this fibrous band, the gel-like tissue comes out into the canal or any either side of the nerve root. You can see here, this nerve is free of disc, but this nerve is compressed by the disc because of prolapse. When this root is compressed, it is like holding a tracheal or breathing pipe with your hand, not allowing to take breathing. Like that, even this nerve, when it is compressed, the vascular circulation and the nerve circulation or stimulation or the nerve impulses will be compressed. Due to that, there will be radiating pain into the lower limb, that is called sciatica. This leads to motor weakness, that is power, sensory weakness, that is a touch or grip sensation. Later, gradually, when the paralysis or paresis increases, patient will not feel about the passage of urine and passing of the stools. So, these are the complications of the disc prolapse, which we commonly see in our practice, where we have to protect this back spine with a proper sitting posture with a back support. When there is a severe pain, contact the doctor. Doctor will evaluate the cause of the low back pain. You will take initially X-ray to rule out bony cause or any other cause. You will do a basic blood test to rule out any inflammatory reaction or any disease process. You will rule out doing MRI, the nerve compression in the root levels. Likewise, we do lot of investigation to rule out the cause of pain. After that, initially we give bed rest and LS belt support for the back, few medications to reduce the pain, few medications to reduce the nerve irritation, few medications to reduce your anxiety, few medications to have a good sleep at the night. Following that, we do lot of physiotherapy modalities. If necessary, we give epidural injection into the nerve root so that it relieves the pain. At last, when the progressive neurological deficit is there, then we must do the endoscopic or minimal invasive procedure or open surgery to relieve the biomechanical pressure on the nerve. That is discectomy. Thank you.